One of the feature requests that I got a lot from people in Europe was, is there an ISO week number function in Power Query? And the answer to that, unfortunately, was no. So I decided to create my own and inject it into Monkey Tools. Now, if you don't know what an ISO week number is, well, you know what? This video is probably not for you. If, on the other hand, ISO week number is a thing you need, well, let me show you what we built here. So I've got my table of dates, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and apply some ISO weeks to my start date column. To do this though, the first thing I'm going to do is go to my Query Monkey, and I'm going to inject the GetISOWeek function. So here we go, it's injected into the workbook. I'm now going to open up my sales table here. And once I've got my data showing up, grab that start date column. We're going to go to add column, invoke custom function, and this will pop up the dialog where I can go and say, let's call this ISO week. We'll choose the FN GetISOWeek function. Because I'd select this column, it's pre-selected, that's pretty cool. And then it gives us the option here for a precise date format. Now the default for this is false, not use the precise date. And let's take a look at what actually happens when I go and say OK. So what you get back is you get the ISO week number that is completely compliant with the ISO week standard, 24, 23, and 25 for this particular 2021 year. All right, now let's go and look at the other option that we have in this function. So I'm going to select my start date column again, go to invoke custom function. This one here, we're going to go with ISO precise. And in this case, we're going to choose our FN GetISOWeek. So we've got our start date set up. This time I'm going to type in true, all lowercase. Okay, make sure it's all lowercase. When we say OK to that, what we get is we get the ISO precise week format with the 4-digit year, -W, and then the week number, dash, and the day of the week. So at that point, everything should be good. Hopefully, if you need the ISO week function, you're going to find Monkey Tools is super useful for this, especially because this is one of the features that's included in our free license. Thanks for watching this episode of Using Monkey Tools. To get your own monkey, visit our website at monkeytools.ca. Or if you subscribe to Skillwave's Self-Service Business Intelligence Academy, you'll get a free annual pro license included with your subscription. And remember, Monkey Tools was developed to support better Excel and Power BI solutions. If you want to learn how to really master these tools, you should definitely check out our full course catalog at skillwave.training.